Deep within the heart of a Mexican forest, nestled amongst the trees, lies a hidden sanctuary. This is Las Golondrinas, a house designed for peace and tranquility. Built by the renowned Mexican architectural firm PPAA, Las Golondrinas translates to the swallows. Imagine a retired couple seeking a place to unwind after a lifetime of work. A place to reconnect with nature, to hear the whisper of leaves and the soothing song of birds. Las Golondrinas is their haven. The architects describe Las Golondrinas as a place of separation and rest. The dark, almost charcoal facade blends into the dense forest, creating a sense of seclusion. Locally sourced tropical chalan wood is used for the window frames and shutters, echoing the natural world around it. It's a testament to environmentally conscious design. Though the house appears to be one solid structure, a closer look reveals a clever design. Las Golondrinas is actually comprised of 3 separate volumes, cleverly connected by a large pitched roof. Covered walkways and semi-open corridors blur the lines between the interior and exterior spaces, inviting the outdoors in. Step inside, and the dark exterior gives way to a surprisingly light and airy interior. The contrast is striking. The kitchen, a favorite space for the architects, is a masterpiece of simplicity. Cream marble countertops and light wood cabinetry create a warm and inviting space. Sunlight dances across the surfaces, constantly transforming the room throughout the day. No matter where you stand in Las Golondrinas, your gaze is drawn outwards. The architects strategically placed windows and balconies to capture the breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and forest. Every window acts as a frame for a living painting, a constant reminder of the beauty that surrounds this unique home. Las Golondrinas is more than just a house, it's a testament to human connection with nature. It's a place to unwind, to reconnect with oneself and the natural world. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the forest floor, one can't help but feel a sense of peace and tranquility settle over Las Golondrinas. A perfect ending for a perfect haven.